welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to learn the properties for rational numbers. Firstly, have you ever think what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in p by q form where q is not equal to 0. But why? Why q is not equal to 0? Let me tell you. Suppose 5 by 2 as an example. It is in p by q form. So here q is 2 and 5 is p. So p is 5 and q is 2. But in the number 2 by 0, q is 0 and the answer to this is not defined. So that's why q is not equal to 0. Let's learn the properties for rational numbers. First, the closure property. Closure property is the simplest of all the properties. Let us understand it. For any two rational numbers, say a and b, the result of addition, subtraction and multiplication operations give a rational number. For example, a plus b is equal to a rational number, gives a rational number. So closure property for addition, subtraction and multiplication gives the rational number. Suppose an example 2. So friends, the rational numbers are the set of integer, whole number and natural number. So 2 is 2 by 1. So 2 can be written in 2 by 1. So it is also a rational number. Plus 4 by 1 is equal to 6. So 6 is a rational number. This is only the closure property. Let's move forward to the commutative property. So commutative property is only applicable for addition and multiplication and not for division and subtraction. For example, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Let's understand it by numbers. So, suppose a is again 2 and b is suppose 10. So, a plus b, that means 2 plus 10 is equal to b plus a, that means 10 plus 2 gives 12. This also gives 12. And this also gives 12 and our answer is 12. So commutative property is applicable for addition. Let's understand how it is applicable for multiplication. A into b is equal to b into a. A is 2, b is 10. So 2 into 10 is equal to 10 into 2. Is equal to 20. This also gives 20. This also gives 20. So it is also applicable for multiplication. Let's move to associative property. Associative property is only applicable for addition and multiplication, not for division and subtraction. So this is also applicable for only addition and multiplication. Let's understand. For example, a plus b in bracket b plus c is equal to in bracket a plus b bracket close plus c. So have you learned about BODMAS? Let me revise you once again. So in BODMAS, b is bracket, o is off, d is division, m is multiplication, a is addition and s is subtraction. So bracket is solved first in BODMAS. So this rule is only applied for the associative property. So b and c is in bracket and here a and b is in bracket. So here b and c will be solved first and here a and b will be solved first. Let's understand it with example. So let me take a as 5, b as 1 and C as, let's say, 2. So A is 5. A is 5. A is 5, B is 1 and C is 2. So 5 in bracket B is 1 plus and C is 2. So it gives us 8. Now here first A is 5, B is 1 and C is 2. So it also gives us 8. So 8 and 8. Our answer is same. That means the associative property is applicable for addition. Let's understand about multiplication. So first 5, then 1 into 2. It gives us 10. And here first 5 and 1 and then 2. It also gives us 10. So our answer is same. That means it is applicable for multiplication. Let's go to the next property, which is distributive property. What is distributive property? The distributive property tells us how to solve expression in the form of A into in bracket B plus C bracket close. The distributive property is sometimes called the distributive law of multiplication and division. So distributive property is done over addition and over subtraction. Multiplication over addition and multiplication over subtraction. Let's understand it with an example. Suppose in this expression A is 2, B is 3 and C is 4. So A, that means 2, and B is 3 plus C is 4. So if we multiply 2 and 3 and 2 and 4 and then add them, what will we get? Let's see. So 2 into 3, 6 and 4 into 2, 8. It gives us 14. Let's just write 14 here. Our answer is here 14. Now let's do it using BODMAS. So A was 2, B was 3 and C was 4 and we get 14. So here we will first add this 3 and 4, we will get 7. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Answer is same. It is applicable for multiplication over addition. Now let's see multiplication over subtraction. For this, let's take A as 2, the same value. Let's take the same value, and C as 4. So A is 2, B is 3 minus 4, because we are solving for multiplication over subtraction. So 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Let's solve it using BODMAS. First we will subtract these two. So minus 1 into 2 gives minus 2. Answer is same. It means it is applicable for multiplication over subtraction. With this we came to the end of our video. So if you like the video, and thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.